welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys this journal that I made, and her name is Patience, and I'm gonna kind of talk a little bit about it. I started working on this journal probably in March of this year, and finally I was able to get back to it and start working on it again. And it's gonna be tied with this ribbon, and the cover is, I'm gonna put the measurements down below. Here's the spine, and it's a pretty big journal. It's probably one of the biggest size journals that I make, and look how thick it is. I think it came out really pretty. I like it so much. And then I have all these little charms on the bottom and buttons. So this journal has been sitting on my desk for a couple months, and I just wanted to get back to it, but I never seemed to come back to it. And so when I finally did get back to it, and I put it together, and I made all the signatures, and I sewed it in, I kept thinking what name I will give her, because usually I like to name my journals towards the end, so I kind of know what direction it is going, or I kind of have a feel for the theme, I suppose. So then I thought Patience, because it was waiting for me. I felt like it was really patient because it was just sitting there for all this time. So I went with the name Patience. I felt like it really worked well. And then I thought, let me show you guys. I'm going to skip back towards here. So I made a digital for this journal, and I kind of drew inspiration from the cover and kind of the colors that the cover had, and then some of the fabrics that I had. So this was one of the pages, and it had fruit on it. And then if you look at the inside cover, this has like a tree with fruit on it. And so then I thought, wow, this kind of works really well with Patience as the fruit of the spirit. So that's kind of my inspiration for this. And here's a card with that verse on there. I thought that would be really pretty. So this text in here. Okay, so then I have this little card, and I have some fabrics stitched on here, and this is some vintage note paper. And then I made this little label. I thought that would be really pretty, and I actually just glued on some little lace on the back. And then it has a tiny little charm there with a little grape cluster, and I thought that was so cute. I thought it fit so well with the theme of this journal. And then I put a little ruffle on the side, and then I have some beads hanging down from a little safety pin. And I sewed this little flower on there, and I really like the way it came out. They don't always come out the same when I sew them, but I really love this this rose, and I really enjoyed making this little rose cluster here. And I'm thinking I really want to make more of them. I think they're so pretty, and it's such a fun element to add to journals. Okay, so we have another pocket here, and then I have this journaling card that I included, and this is perfect for journaling or a picture. And I have some avocado dyed paper here, and I just stitched a little bit of lace on this pocket here. Let's tuck that back in there. Okay, so then this is a printable also, and I actually made it smaller, and so that it's like a little journaling card. I actually have a full size of this in the journal as a page, and I thought it's so pretty with the rose. Okay, so here's some more avocado dyed paper just for journaling. And then I have this fabric piece right there. I'm going to try to go quickly through this because it's probably going to take me a little time. Okay, this opens up, and you can tuck something in there. And then I have this page. Okay, this is some wallpaper that I included so that can be used to embellish the journal. This is a little tag. And everything could be redistributed throughout the journal as you personalize it. Everything doesn't need to actually stay the way it is. This is like it's a lace printable. It's a very soft blush color, and I don't know if the camera's picking up on it. That's like lace. Okay, so this goes in here, and this could be used for either journaling, or you can use it for collaging throughout the journal. Okay, and here's a little rose charm. This is a digital that I put together. This is one of my digitals. This is by Kylie with Paper Daisy Journals. Okay, and this little journaling card, I actually have a craft with me for this journaling card. This is one of my digitals. This is actually a digital by Berry Mix Bujo, I think. I'm not sure, but I will look it up and I will let you guys know. Okay, this is a book page. This is another journaling card I made. And this is avocado dyed paper. Okay, this is another digital that I made. So plenty of room for customizing it. I really wanted this to be a journal with a lot of pages, with a lot of room to kind of grow. And okay, so this opens up, and here's some more journaling paper. I just think that is so pretty. It's just an old document, and it's just ties up. Okay. Oops. Okay. This is my digital part of the Patience Kit. This, I think, is from Heather with Ruby and Pearls. Now, I just want to say I love to use other makers' digitals. Even though I make my own, I also like to combine and use other makers that I know of. And so I'll just add those in. This is an avocado dyed tracing paper. Okay, this is a book page. I thought that was such pretty writing, so I added it on here. And then there's a pocket, and then just some little journaling cards. They just get tucked in there. Okay, there's another little tuck spot. It's like a little hiding place, and I think these are so great. Okay, and then this is the other side of the magazine page or book page. Okay, and then I have a little pocket here with this lace. And there's some lace on here too. Have some fabric on there. It's another journaling card, and then this little printable for journaling or for collaging. And then I have this little card. So this is wallpaper. This is one of my printables. This is a little ruffle. And then this is a vintage image. I thought that was so pretty. And then I just stitched some fabric on there. And then there's a little bow on the end there, and it's like a little fabric pocket. Okay, so this is a bunch of vintage lace from a wedding dress. Okay, here's how it looks. Thanks for watching this flip through. I hope you guys find it inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.